Hello class, and thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be learning about the classification of animals into major groups according to their physical characteristics and behaviors. Specifically, we'll be talking about insects. Let's be honest, insects are cute and cuddly creatures you just want to pick up and hug. You know what? I can't back that up. When I think of insects, here's what I picture. To me, they are creepy, crawly critters, the thing of nightmares. But in actuality, insects are crucial components of many ecosystems where they perform many important functions. They aerate the soil, pollinate blossoms, and control insect and plant pests. All insects are a special group of arthropods in the animal kingdom. Additionally, all insects have three body segments: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head, well, it's the head. That's where the eyes, mouth, antenna, and the brain are, right? Well, unless you're a scarecrow insect, am I right? No? Okay, my bad. Moving on. The thorax. This is the middle section of an insect's body. This is where the insect's legs and wings attach to its body. Also, there are 3 pairs of jointed legs, 6 in total. Next, we have the wings. Most insects have 2 pairs of wings, but in some species, one of the pairs is adapted to be used for another purpose, though there are still some flightless insects. Finally, the abdomen. The rear section of an insect's body is called the abdomen. It contains the organs the insect uses to digest food and to breed. Special note, many insects can look very different when they are young. For example, a caterpillar that changes or metamorphoses into a butterfly. It then has all the characteristics above. You know what? Why don't we just create our own insect now? First of all, we need a head. Luckily, we have one standing by. Next, we need some antennae. Let's go ahead and find some and add them here. Looks about right. Next, we'll need the thorax. If you recall, the thorax is where the legs and the wings will attach. So let's go ahead and attach some wings. Here's one set and the other set. Next, we'll need the abdomen. Here is the perfect one right here. There we go. Complete, correct? Well, not quite. What are we missing? I think the legs. Let's go ahead and find some legs and add them. If you recall again, the legs all attach to the thorax. Here we go. There's 3 for this side and 3 for the other side. There we go. We have our insect, complete with the abdomen, thorax, wings, antenna, and our 6 pairs of legs. Well, now that we have our insect, let's find some more insects he can play with. Let's spin them off to the side, and let's take a look. Wait a minute, some of these look a little suspicious. Let's go ahead and break down what we have to have in order to be an insect. First of all, we need 6 legs. Well, if that's the case, you're out. No legs. This one has a few too many legs. That's a spider. You're gone. Uh-oh, this one has way too many legs. I can't even count that high. I went to public school. Next, we have a dragonfly. Well, let's see. 6 legs. We have some antenna and wings. There we go. That's an insect. What about this one? A pill bug. Wait a minute. That looks a little suspicious. A little too many legs. I'm sorry, buddy. You're gone. Of course. Jiminy Cricket. This has definitely got to be in. Well, let's take a closer look. That guy only has 4 legs. Not an insect. How about this guy? I see 6 legs, antenna, and the wings. There's an insect. Also an insect. 6 legs, antenna. This guy looks a little suspicious as well. Looks more like a wobbly-eyed frog. You're gone. I see wings, 6 legs, no antenna, but if you recall, antennas are not important. So we have another insect. And of course, everyone's favorite. Not really. Well, what about this guy? This one is really tricky. Do you remember our special note? If you don't, I'll repeat it. Many insects can take on a different look when they are young. For example, at a caterpillar, here we go, they can metamorphosize into a butterfly that has all the characteristics of an insect. So there we have it. Our insect. Our friendly insects. And finally, special thanks to the Google image search, Pinterest.com, and various websites for your support in imagery. Also, special thanks to the butterflyschool.org for insight and a link to our skills. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.